Oh, yeah.
It has been a minute since we rode the Ducati. I think my leg is feeling better, so I'm kind of ready. I didn't realize this bike was that loud. I totally forgot. It's actually like about as loud as the RS V4 and the R1M. I'm wearing my leather jacket. That's a problem with gear, man. I started working out again. Ever since the injury, I couldn't work out for like a month or two. It has been a minute. As soon as I start working out, the problem is my arms don't fit in these suits. And if I get back to working out more, it's even worse. It's like too wide on my stomach and core, and it's too tight on my arms. This V4 does need some maintenance. It needs an oil change. It needs new clutch fluids. I do have all the parts for it that I'm still literally waiting for the shop to get some special parts so I can replace all of these. Yeah, every bike I get on needs some sort of maintenance. R1M needs spark plugs. This one needs an oil change, and yeah, it needs an oil change and all the fluids replaced. Let's see, the H2 needs a new clutch. The RS V4 needs that whole issue with starting. I need to figure that one out. But welcome back to the channel, guys. We are trying to go to a meet. I don't know if we're gonna actually like go or make it. I think it's like a private event that you're supposed to buy a ticket. It's a show or something like that. So I honestly don't know. I'm like pretty confused about what it is. I don't even know where it is. I'm just following him. This perforated jacket is actually like pretty. It gets cold in here. I didn't expect that. I got another jacket. This one's all black, just so my OCD is happy with it and I can wear it with, like, you know, most of my bikes, because the jacket that I showed you guys in the last video had a little bit of neon, which only goes with technically the R1M, maybe the RS V4, since the RS V4 is mainly black. But Ducatis are definitely my favorite to ride. I don't know, there's something about them. They have so much character. Well, I remember, it's pretty bumpy here. Yep, ow, ow, my ankle. I'm gonna just not keep it on the peg. But yeah, I really like Ducatis. I almost want to get me like another Ducati to have it as kind of like my daily, because this one's too nice. I put a lot of money into parts into it. It's a V4R, you know, it's not the best kind of like daily or like bike that I would ride regularly. Yet again, it is like my favorite bike to ride. It's just so much fun, but at the same time, it has a lot of like electronics and safety features. Look at the views over here. Oh, I forgot how light this bike is. When you get some wind, it just like pushes you over. One thing that is nice about riding the R1M is that it has that electronic suspension. So I set it up on like a softer suspension, and it felt like way better than these bikes. All my other bikes don't have electronic suspension, which is weird because Yamaha was like, yeah, the R1M is a race bike, so let's give it electronic suspension. These bikes, this one and the Aprilia, are like the opposite. They're like, oh, they're race bikes, so let's not give them electronic suspension. What the hell? That's pretty. Damn, that GTR is loud. Bro, this is so sketch with my leg. It's all shaky. We do not want to tip over this way. Holy, it's all over like in the grass area and everything. This is interesting. Damn. Alright guys, I apologize about that. I didn't know it was going to be this type of meet. That you have to like kind of, pretty much we can park out here and then like you get a ticket and you go walk around and everything, which looks like there's a lot of like nice vehicles and all, but that's a lot of walking and yeah, it looks pretty big. Stop here, take a couple of shots. That looks nice. Just back it up like right here. I'm already drenched in sweat in this jacket. We decided, since we didn't have any other plan, to just go through the canyon, but we gotta take it slow because one of them just got his bike. He's pretty new, and my other friend, as you guys saw, his bike is lowered and set up for like drag racing, so we're just gonna have a cruise ride through the canyon. Oh, some breeze. I don't know how you guys wear those leathers regularly. Last time wasn't too bad. It's only when you like kind of like stop, it gets so hot. When you're going, it's not as bad. I have the urge to pass cars and just speed a little bit, just a little bit, you know. My poor ankle. It's definitely bumpier than I remember here. What the hell? Ow! My ankle! Alright. Great. I guess I'll just go and wait for my friends in the end. Thank you, sir. Gee, it's so bumpy. It's hot, being safe, but still having a little bit of fun. Oh. What the hell is homeboy doing? The V4 is a little bit sketch because I have the Duca bike rear sets and they have the smaller pegs. So, you know, like my foot is already like in pain. I can start put my foot on certain positions. So it's kind of annoying that it's a tiny peg too. This has been like one of the quietest motovlogs. I'll probably cut most of that out, so you guys are probably like, what? No, it hasn't. I'm just, you know, enjoying this bike, enjoying the ride. As soon as you go up in the RPMs on this bike, it just wants to go. Alright, GoPro dead. We just made it. Hope you guys had fun. Drop a like and subscribe, please. And I'll catch you next one. I'm very rusty. Alright, bye. I need to get some food.